Hello students, today I am going to deliver my lecture number 50 and today we will do worksheet of lesson number 168. MCQs. Number 1. The earth is like a huge dash. A. Satellite. B. Pole. C. Ball. D. None. Answer is C. Ball. Number 2. Dash have been into space in space ships. A. Astronauts. B. Scientists. C. Mathematics. D. None. Answer is A. Astronauts. Number 3. The word equinox is made up of two dash. A. English words. B. Greek words. C. Latin words. D. All of these. Answer is C. Latin words. Number 4. Dash is an imaginary line running from North Pole to South Pole. A. Equator. B. Axis. C. Hemisphere. D. None. Answer is B. Axis. Number 5. The dash is the Earth's natural satellite. A. Sun. B. Star. C. Moon. D. None. Answer is C. Moon. Number 6. The Earth spins or rotates from dash on its axis. A. East to west. B. West to east. C. North to west. D. None. Answer is B. West to east. Number 7. Heavy means dash. A. Half. B. Full. C. Empty. D. None. Answer is heavy means A. Half. Number 8. 21st June is the dash day of the year. A. Longest. B. Shortest. C. Both A and B. D. None. Answer is A. Longest. Number 9. Earth takes dash hours to rotate once from west to east. Number A. 18. B. 22. C. 20. D. 24. Answer is D. 24. Number 10. The earth is titled at dash on its axis. A. 21.5. B. 22.5. C. 23.5. D. None. Answer is 23.5. C. 23.5. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The word hemi means dash. The word hemi means half. Number 2. The dash of earth causes day and night. The rotation of earth causes day and night. Number 3. The earth is like a huge ball called dash. The earth is like a huge ball called sphere. Number 4. Equi mean equal and nox meaning dash. Answer is equi meaning equal and nox meaning night. Number 5. Dash is the movement of the earth round the sun on its orbit. Answer is revolution is the movement of the earth round the sun on its orbit. Lesson 6. Water and power worksheet. Number 1. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash are those things which are found on or in the earth. Answer is natural resources are those things which are found on or in the earth. Number 2. Seawater is dash. Seawater is salty. Number 3. In Pakistan, most of the rain falls during the dash. In Pakistan, most of the rain falls during the monsoon season. Number 4. Dash or large holes are dug in the ground. Answer is wells. Number 5. In summer, the dash melts. In summer, the snow melts. Number 2. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Almost dash of the earth is covered by water. A. 2 quarter. B. 3 quarter. C. 4 quarter. D. 5 quarter. Correct answer is 3 quarter. Number 2. The water is on the earth is heated by the dash. A. Moon. B. Sun. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer is D. Sun. Number 3. Due to shortage of electricity of Pakistan, farmers are now using dash. A. Solar pumps. B. Diesel pumps. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer is A. Solar pumps. Number 4. In the dash of our country, we have flowing rivers. A. Eastern. B. Western. C. Northern. D. Southern. Answer is C. Northern. Number 5. Shakkar Barrage is built on the dash. A. River Ravi, B. River Chenab, C. River Jhelum, D. River Indus. Answer is D. River Indus. Match the column. Column A. Hydro means the turbines are fossil fuels are found in coal is formed from solar panel. Column B. Underground, trees and forest, water, store energy from sun, wheels like machine. We search answer of column A in column B and write in column C. Hydro means water. The turbines are wheels like machine. Fossil fuels are found in underground. Coal is formed from trees and forest. Solar panel store energy from sun. MCQs. Number 1. There are over dash million people in Pakistan according to the census of 2017. A. 184, B. 185, C. 195, D. 207. Answer is D. 207. Number 2. We can find out about the people living in a country by conducting a dash. A. Census, B. Place, C. Ages, D. None. Answer is A. Census. Number 3. Most of the people in dash live in village and small towns in the countryside. A. American, B. England, C. Pakistan, D. None. Answer is C. Pakistan. Number 4. In the province of Dash, the urban population in 52%. A. Punjab, B. Sindh, C. Balochistan, D. All of these. Answer is B. Sindh. Number 5. The government has many dash to help the public. A. Department, B. Schools, C. Hostels, D. None. Answer is A. Departments. Question 2. Match the column. Column A and column B. Column A. Number 1. Data. Number 2. Urban population rate. Number 3. Census is carried out. Number 4. Factories and offices. Number 5. Rural population rate. Column B. After every 10 years, large town and cities. Statistics 64%, 36%. Okay. Column C. Data. Statistics. Number 2. Urban population rate 36%. Number 3. Census is carried out after every 10 years. Number 4. Factories and offices, large town and cities. Number 5. Rural population rate 64%. Now your lecture is over.